bolt should have a spring washer on first and then a flat washer after. An easy tip to put the arms on are to lock it over. When it's locked into place, then swivel it around. So repeat on the other side. Turn the product over. Offer the seat on. Place each bolt into the hole and tighten hand tight. Do this all the way around until all of the bolts are in at hand tight. Once all the bolts are located, they can all be tightened using an Allen key. I suggest doing the outer bolts first so that it all lines up properly. Once all the bolts are tight, then offer the rocking legs up, locate your bolt, again just hand tight, offer the next bolt, just hand tight, and repeat on both sides. Once all the bolts are hand tight then and in, you can start to tighten with an Allen key. Turn the product over, put the seat in place.